Hello, Mr. Trump. I hope you have returned safely from the Middle East. Today, I must ask, did you use your influence to urge Israel to cease bombing innocent children in Gaza and to lift the blockade that starves families of food, water, and medicine? I remember how recently you took bold steps to ease tension between Europe and Russia over Ukraine. You intervened to cool the flames between India and Pakistan. But when it comes to the suffering of Palestinian children, when their homes are shattered, their schools destroyed, their future stolen, your voice is silent. Why? Do you seek to build an empire upon the bodies of innocent children? The world recoils at the crimes unfolding, crimes that have gone on for years. Yet the silence from world leaders is deafening. What is your message? A curse on all humanity? This world belongs to its creator, and injustice cannot endure forever. I implore you, Mr. Trump, stand up, speak out, and act to end this horror. The eyes of history are watching. To remain silent now would be tragic and shameful. The children of Gaza deserve more than condolences. They deserve our unwavering action. Will you be the leader who finally demand their protection? Will you be the one to break the silence and bring justice? This world is waiting for your answer, Mr. Trump.